Today we are going to learn about mastering AI model training with Glades AI simulations. In this session, we will explore how to effectively train AI models using interactive simulations from Glades AI. By the end of this video, you will gain practical strategies to optimize model performance for accurate real-world predictions.
In this video, we'll start by exploring Glades AI, a cutting-edge platform that offers powerful simulation tools for AI model training. Glades AI is designed to provide an immersive and interactive experience, allowing users to simulate various real-world scenarios. This is particularly beneficial for testing AI models in a controlled environment before deploying them in real-world applications. We'll discuss the interactive features that Glades AI offers, including customizable parameters and real-time data visualization. By leveraging these capabilities, users can gain valuable insights into their model's performance and make informed adjustments to enhance accuracy and efficiency.
Training AI models comes with a myriad of challenges. One of the most significant issues is data quality. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to unreliable model outputs. Additionally, overfitting and underfitting are common problems where models either perform too well on training data but poorly on unseen data, or they fail to capture the underlying trend of the data. Scalability is another critical concern, especially when dealing with large datasets or complex models. The computational cost involved in training these models can be high, requiring substantial resources. Finally, there's often a lack of interpretability in AI models, making it difficult to understand how decisions are made. In this session, we'll explore how Glades AI simulations can help mitigate these challenges by providing a robust platform for model testing and evaluation. To get started with Glades AI, you'll first need to access the platform through their website. Once you're logged in, you can create a new simulation project. This involves selecting the type of simulation you want to run and importing the necessary datasets. Glades AI supports a wide range of data formats, making it easy to bring in your existing data. After importing your datasets, you can configure the simulation environment by selecting parameters such as data size, model complexity, and evaluation metrics. Once everything is set up, you can run initial tests to ensure everything is functioning as expected. These tests will provide baseline results that can be used for comparison as you refine your model and simulation setup.
When configuring simulation parameters in Glades AI, it's essential to choose settings that align with your model's goals and data characteristics. Start by selecting parameters that reflect the complexity of your data without overcomplicating the model. This balance is crucial to prevent overfitting, where the model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. Utilizing techniques like cross-validation can help ensure that your model generalizes well to unseen data. Additionally, parameter tuning is an iterative process. Experiment with different settings, monitor the results, and make adjustments as necessary. Glades AI provides tools for automated parameter tuning, simplifying this process and helping you achieve optimal performance efficiently. Improving model accuracy is a continuous process that can be significantly enhanced through simulations. One effective strategy is data augmentation, which involves creating additional training examples by altering existing data. This can help models generalize better to new data. Incorporating ensemble methods, where multiple models are combined to improve prediction accuracy, can also be beneficial. Regularization techniques help prevent overfitting by penalizing overly complex models. Additionally, focusing on feature selection, choosing the most relevant data features can improve model predictions. Continuous model evaluation is crucial, and Glades AI simulations provide a dynamic environment for testing and refining your models, ensuring they perform accurately and consistently. Evaluating model performance is critical for understanding how well your AI model is functioning. With Glades AI, you can analyze simulation results using various performance metrics, such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. These metrics provide insights into the model's strengths and weaknesses. Identifying areas where the model underperforms allows you to make necessary adjustments, such as fine-tuning parameters or modifying the model architecture. This process is iterative. Continual testing and validation are required to ensure ongoing improvement. Glades AI simulation tools facilitate this process by offering comprehensive data visualization and analysis capabilities, enabling you to monitor your model's progress effectively. Training AI models can be fraught with challenges, but being aware of common pitfalls can help you avoid them. One frequent mistake is neglecting data preprocessing, which is crucial for ensuring data quality before training begins. Overfitting is another issue, particularly when working with small datasets. It's vital to use appropriate techniques to mitigate this risk. Another common error is neglecting validation sets, which are essential for unbiased model evaluation. Misinterpreting simulation results can lead to incorrect conclusions about model performance. Regularly updating your models is also critical to maintaining accuracy as new data becomes available. By understanding these common pitfalls, you can take proactive steps to enhance your model training process using Glades AI simulations. To illustrate the effectiveness of Glades AI simulations, let's examine a real-world case study. A company specializing in predictive maintenance used Glades AI to train an AI model for anticipating equipment failures. Initially, they faced challenges related to data quality and model overfitting. By leveraging Glade's AI simulation tools, they were able to pre-process data effectively and implement ensemble methods to enhance model accuracy. The results were impressive, with a significant reduction in false positives and an increase in predictive accuracy. This case study highlights the value of using simulations to address specific challenges and achieve tangible improvements in AI model performance. The lessons learned underscore the importance of continuous testing, parameter tuning, and leveraging advanced simulation tools to optimize AI training processes. In conclusion, mastering AI model training with Glade's AI simulations offers numerous benefits, from optimizing model accuracy to enhancing predictive capabilities. Throughout this video, we've covered essential strategies for setting up and configuring simulations, improving model performance, and avoiding common pitfalls. By applying these techniques, you can significantly enhance your AI training processes. The use of simulations is crucial for achieving accurate predictions in real-world applications. As you continue your learning journey, we encourage you to experiment with Glade's AI's tools and explore new ways to refine and improve your AI models. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights to advance your AI training skills.